Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we help you find the best tools and gadgets to elevate your content creation. Today, we're diving into the world of DJI cameras with a comparison of the top 3 models on the market in 2025. Whether you're a vlogger, an adventurer, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, this video is for you. We'll cover the features, pros, cons, and customer reviews to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Coming at number 3, top 3, we have the DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo. Priced at $282, this action camera is perfect for those who love outdoor adventures and need a rugged, reliable camera. Let's break it down. The DJI Osmo Action 4 features a 1/1.3-inch sensor, offering stunning image clarity and excellent low-light performance. It records in 4K at 120 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage. The camera is waterproof and can withstand extreme temperatures, making it ideal for outdoor use. Customers love its durability, long battery life, and ease of use. However, some users noted that the app functionality could be improved, and the camera can get hot during extended use. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a fantastic choice for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts who need a durable and high-performing action camera. It's user-friendly, versatile, and offers great value for money. Top 2, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Priced at $519, this vlogging camera is perfect for content creators who need a compact and powerful camera. Let's take a closer look. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, recording in 4K at 120 frames per second. It includes a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen for easy framing and 3-axis stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. The camera also supports D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, offering advanced color grading options. Customers appreciate its compact size, ease of use, and high-quality video. However, some users mentioned that the battery life could be better and the camera is a bit pricey for casual users. If you're looking for a compact and powerful vlogging camera with excellent video quality, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a great choice. It's perfect for content creators who need a reliable and portable camera. And now, top 1, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Priced at $669, this camera offers the best overall performance and features for serious content creators. Let's dive in. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo includes everything in the standard Osmo Pocket 3, plus additional accessories like the DJI Mic 2 transmitter and a battery handle. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K per 120 frames per second video, and 3-axis stabilization. The camera also supports D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth for advanced color grading. Customers love its high-quality video, compact size, and included microphone. However, some users noted that the price point might be a bit high for casual users and the battery life could be improved. If you're looking for the best overall DJI camera with advanced features and excellent performance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for serious content creators who need a high-quality and versatile camera. So, to recap, number 3, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a great choice for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 offers excellent video quality and portability for content creators. Number 1, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is the top choice for serious content creators who need advanced features and high-quality video. No matter which one you choose, each of these cameras will help you capture stunning footage and create amazing content. My advice? Consider your budget, the features you need, and how you plan to use the camera. If you're just starting out, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a fantastic option. But if you need more advanced features and better performance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or Creator Combo are worth the investment. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which camera you're most excited about, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy filming!